Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. In today's video, we will discuss most important algebraic topic, that is formula for cube of binomial in a very easy and simple way. First of all, binomial means an algebraic expression which has only two terms. So we will find the cube. Binomial is like a plus b whole cube. We will solve this. A plus b whole cube means we will multiply a plus b into a plus b into a plus b 3 times. So a plus b into a plus b into a plus b will become a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will multiply a into a square plus 2ab plus b square and plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will get a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square plus a square b plus 2a b square plus b cube. So now a cube 2a square b plus a square b, both terms are same. So 2 plus 1 will become 3 a square b, and ab square plus 2ab square, both terms are same. So become 3ab square plus b cube. Now in these two terms we will take 3ab as common. Remaining is a plus b cube. So this is the required formula of a plus b whole cube. We will write this formula here, that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. Now we will derive the formula of a minus b whole cube. Now a minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. So a minus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now we multiply a square minus 2ab plus b square and minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will get a into a square a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus ba square, minus into minus is plus 2ab square and minus plus minus b cube. So we will get a cube minus 2a square b and minus a square b will become minus 3a square b. ab square and 2ab square becomes 3ab square and minus b cube. Now from these two middle terms we will get a cube minus 3ab as common. Remaining is a minus b cube. So this is the required formula of a minus b whole cube. We will write this. A cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. We will use these two formula in the next exercise. Now exercise 6.7. Find the cube and question number 1 is 3x plus 2. So formula of a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. We will take a as 3x and b as 2. So 3x plus 2 whole cube is equal to a cube is 3x cube plus 3. A is 3x and b is 2. And a plus b means 3x plus 2 plus b cube means 2 cube. So 3 cube is 27 and x cube is plus 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 18x, you will write x also. 18x into 3x plus 2. 2 cube means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied 2 becomes 8. So this is the answer of this question. Now the question number 2 is x square minus 9. Here the formula of a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. So here x is a is x square and b is minus 9. So a cube means x square cube minus 3 into x square. B is 9 into x square minus 9. A minus b minus 9 cube. So x raised to power 2 whole power 3 will become x6 minus 9 into 3 is 27. X square into x square minus 9 and 9 cube means 9 multiply 9. Then multiply 9 9s are 81. 81 multiplied by 9 will become 729. So you have minus 729. This is the answer of this question. Now in question number 3 is 4x plus 3y. Here we apply the formula of a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. 4x plus 3y whole cube, which is equal to, here a is equal to 4x and b is equal to 3y. So a cube means 4x cube plus 3 into a is 4x and b is 3y. 4x plus 3y plus b cube is 3y cube. So 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. X cube plus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 3 is 36. Xy into 4x plus 3y plus 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Y cube. So this is the answer. Now question number 4 is a minus 7b. Now again we will apply a minus b whole cube formula, that is a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. So a minus 7b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3 into a into 7b, a minus 7b minus 7b cube. Now a cube minus 7 into 3 is 21, ab into a minus 7b, and 7 into 7 is 49. You will multiply 49 by 7. You will get 343. So minus 343b cube. This is the answer. Now we will solve question number 5, that is y minus 2x. We will apply this formula as y minus 2x cube, which is equal to a is equal to y, so y cube minus 3 into y, and b is equal to 2x, and y minus 2x minus b cube means 2x cube. This term will become y cube. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 6xy into y minus 2x minus 2 cube is 8, 8x cube. So this is the answer. Now in question number 6, we have 2d minus 4c square. We will apply this formula as d minus 4c square. Before taking cube, we should take 2 as common to make this more simplify. Remaining is 2 taken as common, d minus 2c square. Now we will apply formula on d minus 2c square. Cube is equal to 2 cube is 8. So we have 8 into d minus 2c square cube. Now this will equal to 8 into d is equal to as a and b is equal to minus 2c square. So d cube minus 3 into d into 2c square, d minus 2c square minus 2c square cube, which is equal to 8 into d cube minus 3 into 2 is 6, 6d c square d minus 2c square minus 2 cube is 8. C square into cube will become C6. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 7, that is 5x square minus 1. Now apply this formula. 5x square minus 1 cube is equal to 5x square cube minus 3 into 5x square into 1, 5x square minus 1 minus 1 cube. 5 into 5 is 25, then into 5 is 125, x power 6 minus 15 x square into 5x square minus 1 minus 1. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 8, that is x square minus 4b square. We will apply the formula of a minus b whole cube on this x square minus 4b square cube. A cube is equal to, a is equal to x square, so x square cube minus 3 into x square into 4 b square a minus b is x square minus 4b square, and b cube is equal to 4b square cube. So x square into cube will become x6 minus 4 into 3 is 12, x square b square into x square minus 4b square. 4 cube is 64. B square into cube is b6. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 9, that is y square minus c square. So y square minus c square whole cube is equal to y square into cube minus 3 into y square c square, y square minus c square minus c square cube. This will become y6 minus 3y square c square, y square minus c square minus c6. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve question number 10. Now the question number 10 is p square q square minus 3a. So we will apply the formula of a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. P square q square minus 3a whole cube, which is equal to a cube, means p square q square cube minus 3 into p square q square 3a, p square q square minus 3a in the a minus b cube will become 3a cube. So we will get p square q square cube will become p6 q6. 3 into 3 is 9. A p square q square minus 3a, and 3 cube is 27 a cube. So this is the final answer. I hope you understand all the questions of this exercise. Please subscribe Math Solver and also share videos. Inshallah, in next video we will solve the next exercise. Allah Hafiz.